Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this beginner-friendly Christmas stocking. It's easy and quick. The written pattern is also available. The link is in the description box. For this project, I'm using acrylic yarn. This is a number 4 medium acrylic yarn. You can use any types of yarn of your choice. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. Make a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around the finger twice. Insert the hook under the first loop. Pull through the working yarn. Twist. Yarn over. Pull through the working yarn through the loop. Now that we have the magic circle, 2 chains. 1, 2. This does not count as a stitch. 10 double crochet. Yarn over. Insert. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops. And yarn over. Pull through the last 2 loops. Again, double crochet. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more, 10. Now pull the tail to close the circle. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. And I always like to carry the tail with me. 2 chains. 1, 2. Again, this does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, place 2 double crochet. 1, 2. In the next stitch, 2 double crochet. 1, 2. And place 2 double crochet in every stitch. By the end of the round, there will be 20 stitches. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains. In the same stitch, double crochet. In the next stitch, increase. Place 2 double crochet in this stitch. 1 more, 2. The repeat is double crochet, then increase. So 2 double crochet in this stitch. 1 more. Repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 30 stitches. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains. In this round, double crochet into 2 stitches. 1, 2, then increase in the next stitch. The repeat is double crochet into 2 stitches. 1, 2, then increase. By the end of the round, there will be 40 stitches, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, cut yarn. Make more increased rounds if you want it to be bigger, but I'll stop here. The next round is a color changing round. insert the hook into the seam stitch, pull through the working yarn, one chain to begin. In the seam stitch, single crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet into every stitch, and I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain, pull up a loop. Round 6 is a color changing round. Insert into the seam stitch, pull through the new working yarn, two chains. Place a double crochet into every stitch for 2 rounds, and I meet you at the end of round 7. After 2 rounds of double crochet, slip stitch to join the round, one chain, pull up a loop. To begin round 8, insert into the seam stitch and place the wet yarn back onto the hook. Pull through, one chain, then place a single crochet into every stitch. This is the repeat of round 5, and we're going to repeat round 5 to round 7 until round 17. I'm at the end of round 17. I repeat round 5 to round 7 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I end it on round 17 with a single crochet round. After you join the round, cut yarn. From here, count counterclockwise 10 stitches from the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert the hook. Pull through the new working yarn. Two chains. From here, place a double crochet into 20 stitches. 1, 2. After 20 stitches, 2 chains, turn, then place a double crochet into every stitch for a total of 6 rows. After 6 rows of double crochet, 1 chain, cut yarn, leave a long tail. To make it easier to work with, flip it from inside out. With a yarn needle, stitch along the side. Once it's done, flip it back to the right side. Carry on with the pattern. Now we're on round 18. We're going to crochet along the edge of the white, and there's no stitches to tell you where to place the stitches. But we have 6 rows of double crochet. In each row, we're counting as 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to insert my new working yarn right here. One chain. So we're going to place 12 single crochet along the edge of the white. Then over here in this stitch, place a single crochet as well. So total 13 stitches. Make sure to do the same on the other side. Then single crochet all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 46 stitches, and we'll be working with 46 stitches until the end of the pattern. Round 18 is the repeat of round 5, and we're going to repeat round 5 to round 7 6 times. From round 18, I repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and I end it on round 36 with a single crochet round. Cut yarn at the end of round 36. To begin round 37, insert new working yarn. Two chains. Place a double crochet into every stitch. To begin round 38, slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain. The first stitch is a front post double crochet. This is the stitch, and this is the post, and this is the chain stitch. And I will include the chain stitch and the post. Yarn over, insert around the chain stitch and the post, which is optional, and finish it like a double crochet. The next stitch is a back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert from behind, then pull up a loop and finish it like a double crochet. Front post double crochet, yarn over, insert around the post, pull up a loop and finish it like a double crochet. Back post double crochet, repeat this all the way around, and I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain. The first stitch is front post double crochet. Again, I'm including the chain stitch and the first post, which is optional. Then back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Repeat this all the way around, and repeat this for another 4 to 5 rounds. I did a total of 5 rounds of front post double crochet and back post double crochet. You can make more rounds if you like. At the end of the round, after the last stitch, cut yarn. With a yarn needle, insert into the first stitch, then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch for a nice finishing look. Then weave in the tail. Lastly, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start on the second chain from hook, this one, single crochet. In the next chain, single crochet. In the next chain, single crochet. One chain, turn, single crochet into every stitch. Repeat this until it's about 4 to 5 inches long. After it's done, stitch both ends side by side. Once it's done, it's ready to hang. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!